everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I vlogged, and yeah, lots of things have happened since I've made a video. I got braces, got porcelain braces on my top row and metal braces in my bottom row. Definitely feels weird turning on the camera and saying hi to you guys with a mouthful of braces because I'm not used to them. I've only had them on for 2.5 weeks, and yeah, it's definitely a very new experience for me. I've never had braces before, and yeah, I want to talk about that later with you guys. But for now, I'm actually on my way to get my eyebrows waxed, and also going to Daiso to pick up some lashes. I'm gonna start wearing fake lashes. I'm gonna try to get the hang of using that because it's been years since I've bought fake lashes and the glue and all that stuff. That's what I'm gonna be doing today, just a couple of beauty related things, and then I'm gonna have dinner later, and then I'm also gonna vlog throughout the weekend. So yeah, I gotta go. My appointment's at 4. I gotta go right now, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Here is my Daiso haul. Not much of a haul. They didn't have a big selection of eyelashes this time. I got these small scissors so I can cut my lashes and have them in my vanity. These are the lashes that I purchased. They had a lot of brown eyelashes, and that's not very common in American drugstores. And this is actually the first time I see brown colored eyelashes at Daiso, but I know they're very common in Asia and in Japan. So I got 4 pairs. These are pretty dense. These have to be my favorite for sure. They're really pretty, and I had a hard time finding good ones because there weren't a lot of good ones left. And what I mean by good is, well, personally, I think these are the better ones, are the ones that have a clear strip and they don't have that black strip. Like, I believe this one has a black strip. I just prefer a more natural look, so I prefer the band to be clear. So yeah, I didn't buy glue from there either because I totally forgot that I had some glue from the last time I was playing around with lash glue. I ended up getting my eyebrows waxed. I was on time to my appointment. They're still a little red. I think the wax burned me a little bit because it's slightly red here and it kind of stings a little bit. So yeah. Alright, I feel like I've been rambling on. Going back to what I was saying earlier about my braces. I wanted to vlog the entire experience with you guys, but honestly, I was very anxious the day that I got my braces, and I felt very self-conscious, so I didn't feel comfortable like filming myself or even having my husband there with me to film it. I also ended up getting 4 teeth extracted, and it's making me feel very, very self-conscious. I was even debating whether or not I wanted to even tell that to you guys here on YouTube because it's something that's very sensitive to me. My teeth have always been an issue for me, and I just feel very vulnerable talking about it, but I told myself I would talk about it openly because it's nothing to be ashamed of. Really, I'm trying to fix my teeth. This is something very permanent. This is for the betterment of, I don't know, my dental health, my overall health. They're finally going to be straight so I can properly clean them, and I don't have any health issues arising from that. Like, I don't know where I'm going with this, but whole point, I'm trying to be more open about it because this is something that's going to be good for me in the long run. It's just a 2.5 year sacrifice. Yes, it's 2.5 years that I will be having braces. I hope I don't go any longer than that, because that would really suck. And I'm already in my early 30s, and having adult braces, I feel like it's hard enough. And going on for like 3 or 4 years, because I have heard stories of people having braces for 4 to 5 years, and I don't want that to happen to me. So I'm gonna be on top of my appointments and be on top of my dental health. I do get my routine cleaning checkup done, and all that is good. That doesn't really give me anxiety as much as the braces. Like, I avoided having braces for so long because I was afraid of the teeth extraction. It was not pretty. It was very, very it was very triggering. It reminded me of my fear of the orthodontist. Like, I don't even know if there's a proper name for that, but it's a fear that I've had since I want to say like maybe 10, 11 years old. Yeah, I was a kid. So going back to the orthodontist or getting teeth pulled out, I just don't like it. So yeah, that's what I get for holding off this whole time. Now I have to deal with adult braces, and nothing against adult braces. It's just something that, I don't know, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm having a hard time accepting it. I don't really like the idea. And like, on other people, I don't even think twice when they have braces. Like, people my age or people older than me, like, oh, they have braces, whatever. But for some reason, like, on me, I don't like it. I feel like it's very obvious. Like, the shape of my mouth has changed, and I freaking hate it, you guys. I don't like it. My lips are like going over the braces. It's just such a weird feeling having so much metal, or porcelain in my case. Porcelain is a little costly, but I think it's worth it. Even though they stain a lot easier and they're a little harder to clean, to maintain white, I still think it's worth it, because in pictures it doesn't look too obvious. It doesn't look like I have like full-on metal braces. So yeah, I'm really sorry about the dog crying. She's been crying all day. She wants to climb up in bed. Yeah, we're gonna go to bed now, and tomorrow I'm gonna continue vlogging. Hey. What's up? Hello everyone. So it's the next day. We just had brunch, and I'm gonna go into another Daiso location to see if they have a wider selection of eyelashes. Hopefully they do. This one normally doesn't have everything in stock. I don't really have complaints about this Daiso, so wish me luck. I ended up getting this jelly juice pouch. It has chunks of jelly, right? Yeah, it has like mango, it's like mango juice but with jelly pieces in it. It's so good, and you have to suck through it from this like straw right here. Do you guys see that? It's like a straw. Once I take off the cap, you can drink from it. What I really like about these is that they're really low in calories. They're only 48 calories, and it's delicious. So we're back from the store. So the Daiso that we went to had a little bit more variety, not that much. Right now Jamil laid out all the snacks that we just purchased from Daiso. Look at all that junk food, coffee. I really love this. Okay, so I got these right here. They didn't have these at the last store that I went to. These are really nice. The band is clear. I also got some face razors. The reason why I stopped wearing lash extensions is because my eye area was getting really, really dry. And if you've never had lash extensions, one of the things that they tell you to do, the lash technicians, they advise you not to wear like heavy creams, under eye creams, no oil cleansers, and keep eye makeup to a minimum. At least that's what my lash tech would tell me. And when I would follow her advice, my lashes would stay on for weeks. Sometimes I would go more than 3 weeks without getting a fill. So It makes sense why you shouldn't use any oil products in the eye area or near your lashes, because it can affect the glue. So I noticed that my skin was getting really dry this winter. This winter has been a really cold one here in Southern California, and I don't know what's going on with my skin, but I feel like I need to pile on heavy moisturizers. One thing that has been helping me a lot is Vaseline, and I noticed that with the lash extensions, if I were to use any oily or heavy products, some lashes would fall off. And I think after 3 years of having lash extensions, I mean, I think I owe it to my skin to take care of it. I shouldn't neglect it when it really needs all that moisture. So I figured I would take a break from lash extensions after, God, so long. It feels like more than 3 years now at this point. So so right now I'm only wearing mascara. I curled my lashes, and now I want to start applying falsies. So I need to get the hang of it. And the cheapest eyelashes that I like to buy are the ones from Daiso. They're really good. I like them. They're not for everybody. If you're not into cheap lashes, then they're probably not for you. I mean, they're cheap, but they get the job done. So that's all I care about. But if you do have recommendations for a good set of eyelashes, let me know. I'm always willing to try new products. I've tried Ardell. I've tried other brands from the drugstore. I like them, but I like to wear them often, so I figured I would get like the ones from Daiso. And so far I'm liking them. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I might just hang out at home and spend some time with the dogs. And yeah. Hey. Good morning, everyone. I decided to pick up my camera today. It's been a few days since I last vlogged. I did go in for a tightening on my braces. I also got an appliance put in the back of, not my mouth, on my molars. So it's basically in the back of my mouth. So if I'm talking funny, or if you hear a whistle coming out of me, it's because of my braces and all the metal in my mouth. And anyway, so today right now we're gonna go walk the dogs. It's pretty early right now, and later on we are going to celebrate our anniversary. We're gonna go on a dinner date all the way to LA, which is someplace we don't go very often, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're finally home. We're back home now. Surprisingly, I didn't get dessert from the restaurant. Normally I get I can't talk right now. I get desserts from restaurants that I go to for the most part. The dessert at the restaurant just didn't call out to me. It was mostly like ice cream, and I wanted something to go because I have a tendency to eat my dessert at home in comfy clothes. Like, I'm wearing a set right now. I just got in my comfortable clothes as soon as I got home. I was wearing this really cute white dress from Other Stories, my loafers, my new Prada loafers, and my Chanel bag. And I didn't record the outfit before heading out, but I'm gonna insert a picture here so you guys can see the outfit. But yeah, just make sure you follow me on Instagram. On Instagram is where I post a lot of my outfit pictures, and I tend to be more active on there. Give me a follow on Instagram. Anyway, back to the dessert. I didn't end up getting dessert there. Instead, we actually went to get churros at a nearby place on our way home. I'm having a churro with some dandelion tea. So yeah, I wasn't in the mood for ice cream or sorbet. Yeah, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I haven't been uploading on my channel a lot lately, and to be honest, it's because we've been really busy with getting our home ready. Not ready for anything or a set date or anything like that, but just we're going to paint our home, and we're going to rearrange furniture and get in new furniture and do some just minor fixes around the house, and I think I might record that. Thank you as always for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking time to click on my video. Super grateful for that, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. That's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.